A big part of my responsibility is not only staying current, but staying sharp. Today, the winter gusting 25 knots. That's gonna make landings a little challenging, so it's a perfect day to practice. Let's go. We have oil pressure, pump is off, clean for taxi, turn the headset on. Let's see, it looks like the winds died down a little bit, unfortunately. I wanted high winds, that's why I came out.
Lauderdale Executive Airport information, Foxtrot 1453 Zulu, wind 120 at 16, gust 27, visibility 10, 2,800 scattered, temperature 24, dew point 17, altimeter 3024. Expect ILS localizer approach runway 9er in use, landing departing runway 9er and 13. Notice to airmen use caution for birds and drones.
Executive clearance, November 119 Juliet Delta.
November 119er Juliet Delta, executive clearance. Were you the one standing by?
No, my first call, 119 Juliet Delta.
November 9er Juliet Delta, roger. Who is the Skyhawk standing by?
I don't know.
November 9er Juliet Delta, say a request.
Alright, November 119 Juliet Delta is at PA28. I'd like to stay in the pattern for touch and go with Foxtrot.
November 9er Juliet Delta, thanks for Foxtrot, contact ground.
Over the ground, 119 Juliet Delta.
Who else was standing by for clearance?
Alright, landing light is on, nobody's around, let's move. Executive ground, November 119 Juliet Delta is at hotel, ready to taxi to 9.
119 Juliet Delta, executive ground runway 9 or taxi via Echo, wind 13022, gust 29.
Taxi via Echo to runway 9, 119 Juliet Delta. The right crosswind component right now is 13. I think this is the highest I've ever done. Pump is on, full ridge, my full tank, carburetor is off. Let's go to 2000 RPM. Left, both magnetos, right magneto, both magnetos, carb heat.
November 9223 X-ray, can you accept runway 138 Echo?
And Executive Tower, November 119 Juliet Delta, holding short of 9, number 2.
Or 119er Juliet Delta, Executive Tower, roger. Number 9er 453 Zulu, turn left northwestbound, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, traffic, Cessna 2-mile final.
53 Zulu, clear for takeoff.
I'm going to take 1-3, I'm going to take off on 9 and take 1-3 because 13, I'm pretty sure I can handle 13.
119er Juliet Delta, wind 12020, gust 29er, would you prefer your touch and goes on 9er or 13?
I'll take 1-3, 119 Juliet Delta.
Number 9er Juliet Delta, roger, I'll have you moving here shortly.
Roger. I rather take 1-3 because right now crosswind component on 1-3 is about 5 to 6. Crosswind component on this one is 13 knots. So yeah, I want to practice, but at the same time I want to stay safe.
November 119er Juliet Delta, turn left to enter a left downwind runway 13, wind 14017, gust 29er, runway 9er clear for takeoff.
Runway 9 clear for takeoff, and then that's going to be left downwind for 1-3 for 119 Juliet Delta.
Number 9er 453 Zulu, frequency change approved.
Change for 53 Zulu, thanks for your help.
Alright, carb heat off, pump is on, full ridge.
Executive Tower, November 4455 Foxtrot, holding short 9, ready for departure.
Number 4455 Foxtrot, roger, I got one IFR to go off your left side, and then I'll get you moving.
Roger that.
To come.
Head eastbound, 4455 Foxtrot.
Number 5907 Mike, wind 14011, gust 27, runway 9er cleared to land, 1 departure Friday, Rob.
This is what I got into this for. To be challenged like this. This is serious right here. Alright, there's that left turn. god, this is so sick. I am loving this. Damn. Alright, coming up on 1,000 feet. There's my 1,000 feet, level off.
9 Juliet Delta, extend down, Tower Call Bay.
Tower Call Base, 119 Juliet Delta. Let's go to 2,300 RPM. We're going, indicating 90, but actually moving at 117. Oh my god, this is so sick. Woohoo!
Number 9 Juliet Delta, turn base.
On base, 9 Juliet Delta.
Helicopter calling executive tower, say again.
Helicopter 427 Julia with Golf with Bravo Kilo. We're at Bravo Kilo ready to depart.
Okay.
Southeast towards the downtown.
I gotta stay on my feet here.
427 Juliet, departure from the banding ramp will be at your own risk. Fly southeastbound, remain south of runway 9er at all times.
So now we're indicating 110, and I'm actually flying 72 over the ground. 72 knots over the ground.
Coma 55, contact Miami departure.
So we have an insane wind today. I love this. Okay, pump is on, carburetor is off. All systems, good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure. I'll make a decision depending on how I touch down, if it's gonna be a full stop or a touch and go. Why not your flaps? Oh my god, this is so cool. Alright, gotta keep it fast. I've been cleared. Wow. Yeah, that was good. Touch and go. Full ridge, full power, carburetor off. BY. Right foot, right foot, right foot. 200. Anything happens now, straight ahead. BY.
9 Juliet Delta, amend instructions to make left traffic on this one, extend downwind, Tower Call Base.
Left traffic, Tower Call Base for 9 Juliet Delta. Okay, there's left traffic. Okay, here comes the wind.
Hello, Tower 20, Charlie 6 Tango, with you.
Over 016 form runway 9er, clear
There's
to
that
land.
traffic.
Clear to land, special 1, 0
Alright, he just touched down on 9. Alright, that's a good setup right there. Three notches of flaps.
Should take off with a left traffic pattern if I could.
November 2663 Juliet, and you said you're at the northwest T hangar?
Roger that.
Or 2663 Juliet,
Just keep a standard turn. Keep a standard turn. Wow.
1206 uniform traffic is a helicopter going to be landing at the northwest corner. Will remain north of your runway at all times.
Looking for the traffic, 06 uniform.
Oh my god, I love this. Should I try 9? That is the question of the year. Wind check.
Wind 13015, gust 27.
Yeah, no way. No friggin' way. That would be irresponsible. So let's not push it.
Traffic inside, 06 uniform.
06 uniform, right.
Executive Tower 6.
Look at my hands.
sorry, would you
I'm white knuckling
the tower if the volume was down, 6034 Bravo.
All systems look green, good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure. If anything happens, I have a field right there where I can put it down, but nothing's gonna happen. Alright, I have the Cessna inside, I have the jet that's about to take off of 9. If it doesn't take off, I might have to abort. But that's, let's see what tower does.
990 Lima Charlie, can you take an immediate?
Paper.
Medevac 990 Lima Charlie, fly heading 090, runway 9er, clear for immediate takeoff, traffic a mile and a half, final runway 13 Cherokee.
A little high, let's lose some of that.
Executive Tower, Charlie 60 Bravo Hotel, holding short runway 9er.
Oh my god, what the heck?
So 60 Bravo Hotel, roger, traffic landing runway 13.
That was a 22 knot fluctuation on my airspeed indicator. About almost 30 actually.
On a 5 mile final for 13.
90453 Zulu, runway 13, cleared to land, traffic departing runway 9er, ready to arrival.
Oh, a little side.
Number 9er, Julia Delta, stay parking.
Hotel.
9 Julia Delta, turn right, contact ground.
Over the ground, 119 Julia Delta. That had a little bit of side loading.
Executive Tower, Watermaker 5264, we're on a visual for 13.
Watermaker 5264, Executive Tower on 13.